Bluebeam Revu. Real results you can count on. Bluebeam Revu is the digital workflow solution you've been looking for. Revu has been proven to reduce paper usage, reduce distribution needs, improve efficiency, and reduce the cost of doing business significantly. For example, with Revu, a structural steel detailing firm was able to produce more accurate quotes using 85% less paper and 15% less man-hours. The firm started by using Bluebeam's built-in plugins and PDF printer driver to convert Office and CAD files to PDF. They used industry-standard markups to review and redline their drawings. And as they worked, each markup was tracked in the markups list. After all data was entered, they generated an XML summary from the markups list, and then imported it into their bidding software to generate the final quote automatically. Before Bluebeam, they had to do everything by hand. But with Revu, this firm produced more accurate quotes faster while using a lot less paper. Another example comes from a quantity surveyor with more than 35 years of experience. With Bluebeam Revu, he was able to calibrate to the scale of his drawing and perform takeoffs and measurements to help complete a bid on a 1,500-room hospital with 10 different floor coverings, all in just 3 days. A construction administrator helped his team solve a problem on the job site with Bluebeam Revu and a digital camera. The contractor on the job site took a digital photo of the problem and emailed it to the construction administrator, who added the digital photo to a blank PDF. He then drew out the missing portion of the bench and its structure and used callouts to add detailed instructions. When he was finished, he flattened the PDF and emailed it to the contractor, who began fixing the bench right away. The entire process took only 1 hour. An ENR Top 100 green contractor cut printing and shipping costs by 50% and reduced their submittal response time by 60% with Bluebeam Revu. They automatically compared revisions of PDF drawings and redlined PDFs with customizable markup tools such as text boxes and symbols. Then they emailed the project documents back and forth, eliminating the need to print and ship. With Revu, they reduced paper usage and communicated faster, allowing a review process that once took weeks to be completed in just a few days. One leading general builder in the US is currently using Revu to digitally share, redline, and distribute drawings and documents on a multi-million-dollar project, and is saving the owner 65% on reprographic fees and 50% on courier fees, for an overall savings of 63%. The project teams calibrate each submittal drawing and then take measurements and count items on the PDFs. They apply text stamps to multiple PDFs at the same time using batch processing, and they use the thumbnails panel to add, delete, insert, and rotate pages in each PDF. Halfway through completion, the project manager is amazed at the savings that Bluebeam has already delivered in printing and courier fees, as well as time. Bluebeam also provided amazing results for an architectural team working on punch and backcheck for a multi-million-dollar resort project. They used Bluebeam's exclusive tool chest to save and reuse their custom punch tools, and used the markups list to output the punch list for distribution to the subcontractors. Once the punch list items had been addressed, they reused the punch list for backcheck. With Bluebeam's technology and the mobility of a motion tablet PC, this team achieved 90% completion on the first backcheck. But even those outside of the AEC industry can use Bluebeam in their workflows and experience real results. One tax practice used Bluebeam Revu to help standardize their client service delivery method, which contributed to a firm-wide 40% reduction in paper usage in just 1 year. The firm created a toolset of custom markups and deployed that toolset throughout the firm. They used hyperlinking and bookmarking features to produce multi-page documents with easier navigation for their clients, and used digital signatures to authenticate their files. And with a direct integration into SharePoint, Revu allowed them to easily work with PDFs stored in the firm's document management system. With Bluebeam, this tax practice reduced their overall paper usage and produced electronic output files that could be easily archived once finalized. Convinced yet? Well, now it's your turn. Download a free 30-day trial of Bluebeam Revu today at www.bluebeam.com/download. Or contact us with any questions at 866-496-2140. Bluebeam Software. What are you waiting for?